If you haven't ever tried security small account and feel stuck no matter what it is, you're related. This video is for those who have tested all but still aren't getting results. I'm revealing the game changes started finally moving the needed for me. Let's go. Hang in there guys, the end of this video has revealed that's going to blow your minds. So let's start with that. So we're gonna use classic candles and 1 minute on time frame. We're gonna use 3 moving average lines and RSI, okay? For the previous one, for the first one, 6 on period, simple movements, the colors up to you. The second 50, okay, that's the color red for this. And the third one, 14 and white line, okay. Now for the RSI, guys, we're gonna use 5 on periods. Okay, and that's the colors that I want to use. Now, the strategy is easy to understand. So now let's explain the method, guys. 1 minute expiration time, $8 that we're gonna start. So now we have all that set up. So let's start with this. Okay, guys. As you can see, the link for the registration for Pocket option is on the description of the video. All right, and guys, the moving average green and white lines intersect the RSI. White line cross the green line above. All right, you can see that the 7 line. I placed at 1 minute the expiration time, as I said. So take a look in the moving average red line. The green one just crossing this. This is important. If you place it above, it should be below the candles and have in the same direction. Okay, so just need to pay attention. When you got this above the green line on the RSI, that's an uptrend. When you got this below the red line, that's a downward trend. When you have this above, with that's a good enough upward, we can just wait for that. And we should order good moments that will have you in the trade, guys. And look at that, great job. $15 in the first one. Let's go with this. All right, so as you can see right here, I won easily the previous one because I choose the right direction. That's pretty good. So guys, you should carefully observe with current pair. All right.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
This is not an easy moment. That's very weird, to be honest. This one right here, I don't want to show you. We cannot hurry here. I want to show the better moment for enhance performability and why I just make this one. As you can see, the moment's almost the same as it was the previous moments. You can see the moving average line. Okay, that's the green one. Create this curvature just passing through the white, almost the red line. In the RSI, we got this as the white line from this. Okay, but the one different, we got this 3 green candle. That's kind of revert. As you can see, the big green candle can make the momentum indicator, gives a signal for the downward trends. And the white line for our sites, it's below the red line. It's almost we just got again, guys, $29. Okay, remember this strategy is just a starting point. Reaching pro status, learning the most profitable techniques. I have prepared 2 results for you. Don't miss that. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, guys, I want to show you a different moment, another kind of one from the previous 2. Right. So this moment is relatively different, as you can see right here. But this different is as follows. If the direction of the white line and the green line of the moving average cross each other, it's down the red line across the red candle, as you can see right here. I put it down, the sell button. But don't forget that the white line of our side must be below and the red line on the downward trend on the R side. Okay, as I said, above the green, it's an upward. Below the red, it's a downward. But don't forget the white line, that's downward direction.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
It's necessary to be below the line. That it can bet below. If at least when the moments does matter what I said, don't enter the trend, and great job. Look at this. Wonderful profits. $55, guys. $8 from $55. From $8 to $55. That's pretty good. Remember, if start trade with any method, first try on German accounts. As you can see, my analysis was just fine again, and the red candle came out. So now, if you like my videos and everything I do, please like and share my videos. Guys, just act right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please. That's very, very important. Okay? This is how many traders, new trades. So good luck, guys. Wish you good profits, wish good operations. Have a good one, and I want to see you in the next live session. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye. See you.